Hello guys! Welcome to Raphael's cooking day. So tonight we're going to cook the Halloween cheesecake. So happy Halloween sa inyo lahat. So I'm gonna do here of this. So going for the favorite dish over here. You know this here, last October 29, 2023, I made it here for the Halloween cheesecake over here. And this will be here, especially over here for the favorite here dishes over here. In October 27, 2024, this is will be here for the again with the Halloween cheesecake here. And on this year, it's 2025 already, so I'm going to cook that for the Halloween cheesecake. So sponsored by Calling Wing Your Tur, and then we'll be here of this. So going to start it exactly 1 minute in here. So we're going to do is going for the favorite dishes over here. So I'm going to cook this for your Halloween recipe here. This is will be going to be for the favorite for the Halloween cheesecake, and then what we have to do is we're going to have for the favorite dish over here. So here are the ingredients in here. You will have all-purpose cream, white chocolate, cream cheese, sugar, all-purpose flour, red and yellow food coloring, and vanilla extract. So I'm going to start it exactly 2 minutes in here, and then we have our here for the going to have for the favorite Halloween cheesecake recipe. So according to the schools over here, all PISD here, and then all of here have semester break here for the mid-year break. So I'm gonna do here your classes will be resumed on November 4 of all school levels over here. So I'm gonna do here in Ateneo sa we'll have semester break on October 30 to November 3, and then classes will resume on November 4. Okay, let's get started. First off, in the here for the bowl. So here for this, so I'm going to put some cream cheese. And then we'll be here for this Halloween special over here. So in 2 years ago, and it's since 2023, 2024, this year 2025. So I'm gonna do here. So I'm going to use it here for the cream cheese over here. A favorite desserts here of this on you will make our Christmas cheesecake on December 21. That's gonna be Sunday here. And then we'll be start of our winter solstice for this season. Alright, and then here, so let's snap this out. Alright, so we're going to do it here for the cheesecake over here. So according to them here, we're going to wear this Santa hat next week, November 2 up until December 28 lang yan. So we're going to do for here for this cheesecake. So ilagay ko na ng ng cake nyo para saan. So I'm gonna do for that here. Alright, so I'm gonna do here, so I'm going to put some sugar, and then over here for that, for this, we are going to do for the, here for the Halloween recipes over here, so I'm going to use that here for the favorite. Well, over here, so I'm gonna do, get sugar, so just don't put too much here. And then, we're going to mix this all up here. I think here in the, no. So I'm going to do for this. So I'm going to put some flour, and then we have our here for this, for the happening over here. So I'm going to use that here for the favorite flour over here. Just a little bit. Okay. So let's go to the here for your favorite here for the cheesecake over here. Alright, so we're going to do, and then we're going to put these cheesecakes here into the nice top of blender here. And then we're going to put this here, and then start blending it out here. Wait for it. Sorry that here for this, we're going for pausing over here, so I'm going to use the all-purpose cream. So I'm gonna do here for that and for this. So I'm going to do something here, so I'm going to use that here for the favorite all-purpose cream. Just a little bit. Okay, so here, this cheesecake. Here is this Halloween cheesecake. Okay, it's really good here. Alright, so I'm gonna do here. Alright, so I'm gonna do here for this, so I'm going to put some vanilla extract. And then over here for that, for this, so I'm going to do here, so I'm going to put something in the here of the favorite. And then now here, there's making a dough over here. So I'm going to put some red and yellow food coloring. So I'm going to do for your here for the food coloring over here. So I'm going to use that here for the favorite coloring over here. On top of it, we're going to do yellow one. So that's already too much. Put the yellow food here and the red ones here. Going to do the orange here, and then we're going to top it straight. Alright, so we're going to do for this of for the red food coloring over here. And then we're going to stop mixing here, and then we're going to scrub this up here a little bit and mixing it faster. stop mixing muna. And then I'm gonna bake this to the oven for about 20 minutes over here, and then we're just here for the happen that here. So let's here goes that here for the pies over here. Let me just here of that for the here for the baking of the pie over here. Alright, let's make. Alright, so we're going here. So let's this over here of that here for this happen here. Let's make something in the blender. Alright, so we're going to do for that is here and to blend this up here, and then so I'm going to do this here. So I'm going to put some Oreos, and then we have our for that for this Oreos over here. So I'm going to use that here for the favorite Oreo, and then I put it here. Sorry guys, nakalimutan kasi I'm gonna do something special over here with the butter. So I'm going to put some butter. And then over here for this, going for the fresh full butter over here. So I'm going to use that here of the favorite butter. So this will be butter here. Forgot ang butter kasi. So over here, alright, so into this butter over here. So let's melt it in the microwave. Alright, so the butter is going to be that for this. So I'm going to do, so I'm gonna put the butters in the Oreos here. And then be careful here. It's so hot here. Okay. Let me introduce the blended out here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and this is not. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Okay, so I'm gonna do this butter here. Oh no, it melted out here. So we're here, we melted down the butter here. Sorry po, guys. So we're going to do here. Let's go back to the kitchen over here.
This weeknight, this Italian restaurant is to play with the Baldi's basics, so I need to play every weeknights. The Italian restaurant of this Baldi's basics. I have something to dine in on this Baldi's basics. Baldi's really awesome Italian restaurant. Weeknights, 6:30 p.m. on Free Live TV. Having a good live. This weekdays, this Pepsi drink is to play for your Baldi's Basics. So, I need to play every weekday noons. I have to drink as a soft drink. You have to play the Baldi's Basics as if the Pepsi playing of this Baldi's Basics. Baldi loves his Pepsi. Weekdays, 12 noon, on Free Live TV. Having a good live. This week, I have to collect as many as notebooks of Baldi's Basics. So, I need to play every Monday to Saturday afternoon. The select any time of this Baldi's Basic. I also see the Baldi's Basics of all times. Baldi's Basics of collecting 400 notebooks, Mondays to Saturdays, 3 p.m. on Free Live TV. Having a good live.
Mahal na mga gamot.
May mga mura.
Baka hindi magaling yan.
Ang mahalaga po alamin, dapat gawa ng experts, tested and certified, at pioneer sa generics.
Magang pa sa bulsa.
Siguraduhin ang quality, dapat TGP Generics.
Banana!
You couldn't wait to eat the Oreos? This is how you eat an Oreo.
Twist, lick, dunk!
Good day for a date.
Bad day for kate. Baka dandruff yan. Mag Head and Shoulders every day. Prevent dandruff and kate from coming back. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and Shoulders.
Mga panganib na hindi na paghandaan, kaya pala sa GCash. New Buy Load with free health insurance. May load ka na, insured ka pa. Sa GCash, kaya pala. Load na sa GCash.
Taas ng lagnat? Ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Awa!
Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite!
From Taisho.
May diarrhea si baby. Mag-ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Yummy!
Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite!
From Taisho.
Good morning!
Ang Bibo naman, nag-top sarap kasi.
Sarap all the way from bottom to top.
May Inner Bibo Vitamin B2 na. Tulong para bibong bibo sa school. Try ko nga. Top sarap, your morning Inner Bibo snack. Ano to?
New Nescafe Creamy White.
Ba't ang sarap nito?
Kasi leveled up ang creaminess. Sarap ng Nescafe at more creaminess from Nestle Milk.
Ito na.
Ang new Nescafe Creamy White. Level up na.
You want great hair? Pero tututsyang-tutsyang. May sagot right here. Pantene Supplement Conditioner with Pro Vitamin and Collagen. Smooths out to chunk easily for smoothness. It's not luck, it's Pantene.
Pure Foods Lunch and Meat.
Pure Foods Lunch and Meat. Now in a square can. Deliciously meaty and juicy with flavors that hit right. Pure Foods Lunch and Meat. Deliciousness squared.
Okay. To start pouring that out here. Okay, let us start here. So I'm gonna pour this in the spatula normals. Okay, in 2023, 2024, that here of the oven of the cheesecake over here. And ngayon 2025 is a freezer na tayo makakita. So I'm gonna do here of this. I'm going for here of that here. So I'm going to put some white chocolate. And then over here for this. So I'm going to set here for that. So I'm going to set here for the favorite white chocolate button here without melting this chocolate. And now I'm going to set as a freezer for about 12 hours. Let's follow me to here.
This weeknights. This magical magnets is to play of the Baldi's basics, so I need to play every weeknights. You have to do something is to play with those magnets. I will have to do something to play of this Baldi's basics. Baldi's basics with his magical magnets, weeknights, 10 p.m, on free live TV, having a good live. This weekdays, this addicted to be soda of this Baldi's basics, so I need to play every weekday mornings. That is very good to hear about the bee soda. I have to do something is to play of the Baldi's basics. Baldi's addicted to bee soda, weekdays, 11 a.m, on free live TV, having a good live. This weeknights, this Italian restaurant is to play with the Baldi's basics, so I need to play every weeknights. The Italian restaurant of this Baldi's basics. I have something to dine in on this Baldi's basics. Baldi's really awesome Italian restaurant, weeknights, 6:30 p.m, on free live TV, having a good live.
Once upon a Hansel story, Carmen went on an adventure.
Smell that, Sniffy? Wow!
Dahil sa bango at sarap ng Hansel sandwich, everyone snacked hansily ever after.
Ganda ng hair! Mag-long hairstyle tayo for the show. Abot pa ba hair ko? Let's grow it! Sunsilk Strong and Long with aloe vera, biotin, and castor oil for hair that's 3 times stronger and thicker looking as it grows long. Together, that's not how amazing! Sunsilk!
Did you know kids' milestones start from their gifted brains? Nurture it with ProMilk to help fuel the 4 brain developmental milestones: focus, memory, problem solving, and language. Nurture a gifted brain. ProMilk.
Big day for Bobby! Lemon Square Cheesecake Big! 40% bigger! Para si Bobby, busog! Big moments! Big wins!
Siksik sa fresh eggs and milk for the milky cheese sarap na nakakabusog!
Lemon Square Cheesecake Big!
Di pa yung Slay Girl! Fit check baya! Naku, nakakahiya kung kulong!
Kahit makapal, kahit tuyo sa loob, perfume bango all day.
Germs everywhere! Stop! Not on my kid! My new Safeguard Pure White.
Shook, shook, show away germs 24 hours!
Protection 24 hours para sa pamilya. Safeguard.
Nakakasawa ba? Simple lang ang gagawin. With Eden, pasayahin. Sarap ng ulam na hain. Panalo ng damdamin.
Nandito na ang totoong #1. Ako at ang CDO Fantastic Tocino. Gawa ito sa 100% young pork, kaya may tamang lambot at sarap ng tocino. Ay! Eksena ka? Fantastic ang #1.
CDO.
Sa
segunda manti, biktima ng imposibleng mancha.
Gagastos na naman sa bagong uniform. Di kaya ng detergent.
Sa Ariel, posible! Para mas tanggalang sanhi na maninilaw, may 10X Power Clean.
Pwedeng di na bumili ng bago.
Imposibleng mancha, posible sa Ariel.
No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of Provitamin from Pantene. Formula with Provitamin B5 strengthens hair and helps build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
Ready makipagkaibigan? Toddlers are exposed to 200 cold viruses. But protected while making friends, I only choose Nido 3 Plus. With up to 1 billion probiotics. Tulong for respiratory protection. Nido 3 Plus, your act of love.
Alright, so I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes before to put this in the freezer for about 12 hours. And then 190 for about 20 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna do here put this in the oven for about 20 minutes over here. So time check is here, 7 for here for that. 20 minutes in the oven here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven here for 20 minutes over here. So time check is already 7:44 on the clock over here. Now I'll be ending on 8:04. And then we'll be here for that here, this recipe is to cook that over here. So I'm going to cook this over the special of the cake over here. So see you later for about 20 minutes and see you later for about 8:04 p.m. Before you put this in the freezer for 12 hours.
This week, this achieve of this Baldi's basics, so I need to play every Sunday mornings.
I don't know.
I have to do some this positive achieve of this Baldi's basics.
Run.
You will do something better of this Baldi's basics.
Take this, Baldi! Run, as fast as you can.
Baldi's basics of positive achieve, Sundays, 8 a.m., on free live TV, having a good live. This weekdays, this bananas are very important of this Baldi's basics, so I need to play every weekday mornings. For this bananas I have to eat that in Baldi's basics. I have to do something is to eat the bananas of this Baldi's basics. Baldi loves his bananas, weekdays, 9 a.m., on free live TV, having a good live. This weekday, list everything of this Baldi's basics, so I have to play every weekday afternoons. You will do everything of this Baldi's basics. I have surprises of this Baldi's basics. Baldi loves his everything, weekdays, 1 p.m., on free live TV, having a good live.
Wow! Sumakses dahil abot kaya, sumakses dahil walang arte, sumakses dahil walang tigil. With PLDT Home Fiber Prepaid, sumakses din ako! Mag-Fiber Prepaid na!
Kahit lagpas ka na sa kalendaryo, marami ka pang gustong gawin sa buhay. Pero umihina na ang katawan mo. Mag-Bear Brand Adult Plus na. Doble tibay katawan at resistensya nutrients na tama sa edad mo. Tulong para tuloy ang tibay. Bear Brand Adult Plus.
Sa washing machine, kahit damihan mo ang powder, may tirang mancha, may powder pa.
Ay, powder?
Kaya dapat mag-Ariel Power Liquid. Tunawan ka at may better stain removal na walang tirang powder. Basta washing machine, Ariel Power Liquid!
Super Sticks, flavor adventure time! We'll have ube super yummy, we'll have creamy milky fun. Double choco, on Barat, discover pandan. Let's enjoy it together. Super Sticks, flavor adventure time!
Try Super Sticks Jumbo!
How can you help nurture higher intelligence? Give your child EnfaGrow A+ with MFGM and the highest levels of DHA to help build faster brain connections.
This should work!
EnfaGrow with MFGM helps support higher intelligence for your A+ child.
Gising na! Sa sarap ng Nissan Ramen! Fill your morning with good vibes! Pag Nissan Ramen, good vibes ang gising!
New Great Taste White. Mas creamy at mas makape. Like namin. Like natin. Like na like. Like ng 9 out of 10. New Great Taste White. Like ng bayan.
Tol, kapagod. May amoy na siguro tayo. Uy!
Pero bakit may mabango?
Be perfume bango all day with Downy.
May? Gusto mo mag-milk tea?
Perfume bango all day. This is fried chicken. And here's one from Food Panda with 100 pesos off. Now that tastes like a good deal.
Milo Morning Champs, more and more ang challenges sa school. Kaya more and more dapat ang energy. Mag-Milo Morning. Milo is clinically proven to help sustain energy. More and more wins with Milo Morning every day.
Ang deserve mo, San Marino Corn Tuna. Siksik, sarap at sulit. See? Konti lang ang mantika. Lasap na lasap ang tuna sarap. Switch to San Marino Corn Tuna. The love you deserve.
After about 20 minutes, I'm sure it's already 8:07 now. So let us release this in the microwave here. This is what they call the Halloween here for the cheesecake here. And there you have it, we have it for the Halloween cheesecake. So so I hope you enjoy your cooking. So I hope you, here, so that's it for this video here. So 2 months na lang. So the Christmas snack is going here for this, going for the favorite here of this Christmas celebration over here. Your Christmas celebration over here will be on Thursday, December 25, 2025. And then 67 days na lang, so the New Year na. It's going here for this, going for the favorite here of this New Year celebration over here. So the here for the New Year celebration over here. So the New Year celebration over here will be on Thursday, January 1, 2026. So according to the Hermione X Jolo EY 2025 to 2026, we are going to do for the New Year's demonstration day. Will be here on December 31 tonight. It will start at 10:30 p.m. on December 31 up until 1:30 a.m. on January 1. So according to the Hermione X Jolo here, so we are going here. So next week, New Year's demonstration practice will start on November 3 until December 30. So you can practice for our New Year's here. So on December 30, so on December 24, 2025. So doors will be open at 8 p.m. and dance should be at 9:30 p.m. So I'm gonna do here for this. We're going for the favorite here. Your top 12 songs of 2025, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. and 10:30 p.m. lang yan. So the New Year's demonstration practice is on the 10:30 p.m. 10:30 to 1:30, 10:30 to 11 p.m. which means the 30 minutes of perfect timing over here. Your Christmas dance. Here, Christmas dance, perfect timing is at 12 midnight on December 25 over here. So on December 31, 2025, so doors should be open at 9 p.m. Show at the New Year with the countdown to New Year in 2026 will be on 10:30 p.m. So here, so 2025 is almost here in 2025, and then will be here with the New Year's Day here. So the New Year's demonstration day, 10:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. lang yan. So be here, you have to celebrate for the New Year's countdown over here for the New Year over here. So we're here, so Happy New Year at 12 midnight on January 1. You can see you blow your torotots over here, and then we're going to do something special over here. So next is we have for the lasagna soup. So nakita tayo sa susunod na linggo, 7 p.m. na po, so don't be late na po. So you have to subscribe to my Free Live TV Having Good Live. Facebook page, Free Live TV Having Good Live. TikTok at Free Live TV Having Good Live. YouTube Shorts is Free Live TV Having Good Live. YouTube post and community post, Free Live TV Having Good Live. YouTube podcast, Free Live TV Having Good Live. My post is Free Live TV Having Good Live, at my story is Free Live TV Having Good Live. You can create your story for about 24 hours before getting for the story hype. So I hope you enjoy your cooking. So see you next week. Bye.